Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel USA Jackpot Result. Today you are watching Ganama's lottery result. Today I will be announcing Ganama's first number, second number and third number. 5th May 2026. Today Ganama's first number are 6, 8 and Ganama's second number are 5, 0 and Ganama's third number are 9, 3. Ganama's Loteria Nacional. Repeat number. First number are 68, second number are 50 and third number are 93. We hope you are one of today's winners. So viewers, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell icon to never miss you any of USA Lotto result live update. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.